Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the camera and storage basics so you can capture the best data. Open Settings right arrow camera and pick the appropriate capture format. Most compatible gives standard JPEG, while HEIF saves space. Make sure you have 2.5 GB free or enable iCloud photos to offload originals. This prevents automatic compression when storage is low. Also, turn off live photo if you want single frame sharpness instead of combined frames. Once done, you're ready to position and configure shooting settings. Now you focus on capture technique so detail is preserved. Choose Pro RAW on supported iPhones for maximum data or the highest JPEG/HEIF resolution otherwise, because RAW retains more tonal range. Stabilize the phone, use a tripod or steady hand and half press techniques. For movement, use burst mode. Tap to set focus, then hold to lock AE/AF so exposure and focus don't shift. Once locked, nudge exposure compensation if needed. Make sure you select the right lens, wide versus finish by processing and exporting to preserve HD quality. Import Pro RAW or original files into Photos or a RAW editor. Perform gentle noise reduction and controlled sharpening. Overdoing it creates artifacts. When sharing, export full-size images. Use AirDrop, files, or photos, right arrow export, right arrow unmodified original so you don't trigger additional compression. If the result looks degraded, check for low power mode, insufficient storage, or settings that force automatic optimization. Reset those and re-export to fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.